Sit or stand in an upright position with the shoulders level and the neck straight. Apply the Y strip with the fork of the Y in the center of the back, level with the shoulders. Tilt the head forward and rotate it to one side, sticking the opposite leg of the Y onto the neck. Repeat for the other side. Take an eye strip and apply with maximum stretch across the fork of the Y. Smooth down firmly. In a standing or sitting position, apply one end of an eye strip where the collarbone meets the shoulder, sticking down firmly. Using a medium stretch, pull the other end across the front of the shoulder to a point at the bottom of the muscle. Smooth down firmly. Take another eye strip and position overlapping at the top of the shoulder. Then move the injured arm to rest the hand on the opposite shoulder before reaching under to stretch the eye strip around the back of the muscle and smooth down again. Identify the painful spot. Apply the Y strip so this spot is in the fork of the eye strip. Stretch the arms of the Y strips and apply a little at a time, like this. Stretch and stick, stretch and stick, stretch and stick. Bring the ends together and smooth down. For this technique we need 2 eye strips, which are applied in a standing position. Firmly apply the end of the first strip at the bottom of the spine, followed by the second strip overlapping to form a V. Bending forward, lift the other ends of the tape away and smooth them without stretching, one at a time, upwards and parallel to the spine. Notice when the back is straightened, the inside of the strips wrinkle evenly. If this is not the case, there has been too much stretching of the tape during the smoothing, and the strips must be reapplied. The first Y strip needs to be cut with short legs sufficient to wrap around the big toe. After wrapping them around the big toe, stretch the strip underneath the arch of the foot onto the heel, slightly to the outside of the foot. Smooth down firmly. Place the base of the second Y strip onto the ball of the foot. With the thumb under the big toe, gently arch the foot before pulling the legs of the Y across the top of the foot and smooth them down firmly. Place the arm on a flat surface with the palm facing up. Start the strip in the center of the wrist on the thumb side, at a slight angle to allow the strip to be spiraled around the arm, ending on the inside of the elbow, lightly stretching whilst doing so. Lying on your back with the knee bent, locate the base of the kneecap. This will be the center point of the strip. Stretch the strip firmly, taking the ends up the leg towards the thigh. This will support the knee when the leg is straightened and weight bearing. The first octopus is positioned approximately 15 cm up the leg and in line with the leg. The fingers are stretched down in a fan shape. The second octopus is positioned diagonally from the front of the shin, stretching the fingers to ensure complete coverage of the ankle bump. This technique requires the person to lay down and relax the abdominal muscles. Apply the first eye strip without stretch in parallel with the belly button. The second and shorter strip will be applied at a right angle. The next step is to ask the person to sit up. The eye strip is applied without stretch on the lower back in the center of the spine.